plus y square by b square equal to 1. Ellipse equation. X equal to a cos theta x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. Substitute x equal to a cos theta, a square cos square theta by a square. A square cancel, cos square theta. Put y value b sin theta, b square sin square theta, b square cancel, sin square theta equal to 1. So these two are called parametric equations. Parametric equations of the ellipse. A cos theta, B sin theta is simply denoted by P of theta at theta point. At theta point. So P theta is denoted by a cos theta plus comma b sin theta. Suppose A alpha point, B beta point means A cos alpha, B sin alpha, A cos beta, B sin beta. So these two are called the parametric equations of the ellipse. Next, listen. Px1 y1, a point. Equation of tangent s1 equal to 0. Equation of a normal at Px1 y1. A square x by x1, b square y by y1 equal to a square minus b square. This is the tangent equation. This is the normal equation at the point P x1 y1. S1 means x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. Listen. Equation of the tangent at P theta, A cos theta, B sin theta. Substitute this point in this formula. X into A cos theta by A square plus Y into B sin theta by B square equal to 1. So A cancel, B cancel. X by A cos theta, y by b sin theta equal to 1. This is the tangent equation at theta point. Equation of the tangent at theta point. X by A cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. Next, suppose the equation of the normal at theta. Substitute x1 value a cos theta, y1 value b sin theta. A square x by a cos theta, b square y by b sin theta equal to a square minus b square. A cancel, b cancel. So ax by cos theta minus by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. This is the equation of the normal at theta point. Equation of the tangent at theta point. Okay. Ellipse is given. Ellipse is x square by 9 y square by 4 equal to 1. Given point theta equal to pi by 3 60 degrees. A square value 9, A value 3, B square value 4, B value 2. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at theta. At theta is x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. Substitute the values. X by a value 3 cos 60 degrees, y by b value 2 sin 60 degrees equal to 1. X by 3 into 1 by 2 plus y by 2 into sin 60 value root 3 by 2 equal to 1. X by 6 root 3y by 4 equal to 1. Take LCM. 12 LCM 2x 4 3 times 3 root 3y equal to 1. By cross multiplication 2x plus 3 root 3y equal to 12 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. It is theta equal to pi by 6 30 degrees. A square value 16, A value 4, B square value 9, B value 3. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Ax by cos theta minus by tan sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Substitute the values. A value 4x by cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. 3y by sin 30 value 1 by 2 equal to 16. A square value 16, B square value 9. Next, 8x by root 3 minus 6y by 1 equal to 7. root 3 LCM 8x minus 6y equal to 7. 8x minus 6y equal to 7 root 3 or
root 3y.
6y e 6 root 3 6 root 3y by cross multiplication 8x minus 6 root 3y equal to 7 root 3 or 8x minus 6 root 3y minus 7 root 3 equal to 0. P point A cos theta, B sin theta. From the origin, from the center, center means origin, is 2. Take the diagram, is 2. Find the eccentric angle. Find the x square plus 3y square equal to 6. X square by 6 plus 3y square by 6 equal to 6 by 6. X square by 6, y square by 2 equal to 1. A value root 6, B value root 2. Therefore, P of theta equal to
Sir, video second answer.
P of theta. ఏంటమ్మా హలో B sin theta root 6 cos theta root 2 sin theta. Listen, find the value of theta when the condition is a distance between CP. Distance between CP is 2. C means center, 0, 0. Write down. Given P equal to 2 under root x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 2 under root 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta equal to 2. Squaring on both sides, 6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta equal to 2. Sorry, equal to 4. Equal to 4. Listen. we want theta value. First listen carefully. Given condition is CP, distance between the 2 points, squaring on both sides, root 2 square cancel, 2 square value 4. Listen. 4 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta equal to 4. 6 equal to 4 plus 2. Next, 4 cos square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 4. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 4 cos square theta 2 into 1 equal to 4. 4 cos square theta equal to 4 minus 2. 2. Cos square theta equal to 2 by 4. Cos theta equal to 1 by root 2. So theta equal to 45 degrees. Find the eccentric angle. Find the eccentric angles. Suppose find the eccentric angles. Eccentric angles. From the trigonometry, this is in the form of a cos theta equal to k. So cos theta equal to 2n plus 1 into alpha. General solution. Cos theta equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. This is cos 45. Cos. Joint formula. Cos theta equal to k. Then general solution. 2n plus 1 into alpha. So 2n plus 1 into alpha value pi by 4. So when n value 0, pi by 4. If n value 1, 3 pi by 4. When n value 2, 5 pi by 4. N value 3, 7 pi by 4. Find the eccentric angles. Then you take a general solution of this equation. Cos theta equal to k. Theta equal to 2n plus 1 into alpha.